Your iPad is suddenly stuck on a screen that says locked to owner, with no way to continue and no clear instructions. Just a message asking you to enter the Apple ID that was previously used on the device. Hello everyone, welcome to IBF Tool's YouTube channel. It's a security feature called Activation Lock, and it's designed to protect the device by keeping it linked to the original Apple ID even after a full reset. This usually happens if the device was reset without signing out of the Apple ID first, if the Apple ID or password has been forgotten, or if the device was purchased secondhand and is still connected to the previous owner's account. So the real question becomes, what can you actually do in this situation? Before we go further, a quick note. Everything shown here is for educational purposes only and should only be used on devices you legally own. IBF Tool. IBF Tool is designed to guide users through the process step by step. You start by installing the software on your computer, then connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB cable. Once the device is detected, you select the correct model and the system version it's running, and from there the tool guides you through the required steps on screen. Once the process is completed successfully, the device can be set up like new, and basic functions should work as expected. This approach is meant to simplify the process and should only be used on devices you legally own. If this video helped you understand your situation better, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments what you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.